Hey everyone, let's solve trees quiz today. Ready? Let's go. The leaf of what tree adorns the Canadian flag? The options are maple tree, pine tree or neem tree. The answer is maple tree. The fruit from what tree gets its name because of its resemblance to the eye of a male deer? The options are number 1 oak tree, that is acorn, number 2 walnut tree, that is walnut, number 3 horse chestnut tree, that is buckeye. The answer is horse chestnut tree, buckeye. What trees are considered the tallest growing trees in the world? The options are number 1 giant coast redwood, number 2 Douglas fir, number 3 Sitka spruce. Subscribe. The answer is giant coast redwood. The oil of what aromatic tree is used in the making of cough drugs and decongestants? The options are number 1 Japanese yew, number 2 eucalyptus tree, number 3 cedar pine. The answer is eucalyptus tree. From this tree we get oil and fruit. Its branch is also used as a symbol of peace. Which tree is it? Your options are number 1 mango tree, number 2 olive tree, number 3 fig tree. The answer is olive tree. What evergreen tree bears the fruit from which the chocolate is derived? Your options are number 1 chocolate tree, number 2 cacao tree, number 3 coconut tree. The answer is coconut tree. From what tree do we harvest some of the densest and darkest hackwood? The options are number 1 black cherry tree, number 2 black walnut tree, number 3 India ebony tree.
like?
The answer is India ebony tree. What tree is actually classified as grass? Some of these plants can grow up to 1 meter a day. This ornamental grass is said to bring good luck. The options are number 1 bamboo, number 2 eucalyptus, number 3 Spanish moss. The answer is bamboo. Which fruit or nut listed below comes from a tree? Number 1 pineapple, number 2 cashew, number 3 peanut. The answer is cashew. Which of these has never killed a tree? The options are number 1 old age, number 2 bugs, number 3 rooting roots.
Subscribe.
The answer is old age. Dash is the Japanese art of making trees deliberately small for decorative purposes. The options are origami or bonsai. The answer is bonsai. The giant panda feeds exclusively on dash. The options are number 1 bamboo, number 2 reed. The answer is bamboo. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.